House of Little Bunny bag haul! Got these both from the 10/10 sale and I'm excited to unbox it with you sisters. So recently, I have fallen in love with the House of Little Bunny's bag collection, most especially their Lulu series. So I got myself 2 new bags from the House of Little Bunny. Tantan ko sila in order, however, yung isa dumating ng 10/11 and then today it's October 12. Kakadating lang nitong isang to. So the other one I've already used and unboxed it, but I just still want to show it to you guys. But this one is freshly delivered, so let's go open it up. So very cute ng kanilang mga bag designs at the moment, and as what you can see, I got myself the maroon color. Hindi ko din alam yung mga names ng kanilang color, pero isa lang yung alam ko, yung Destiny, yung white bag na lagi kong gamit. That's also from House of Little Bunny. But this one, their Lulu collection, this is my first time purchasing it, so I bought 2. Magkaiba lang yung pouch nitong dalawang to. So this one is the maroon one, and this is how it looks like. Meron siyang keychain dito. It's made out of PU material of leather, so really high quality leather, plus the pricing. This isn't the original one, pero it looks and it feels so premium. So inside the bag, meron siyang mga ganitong pangpalaman or fillers. And then we have the cute heart keychain that comes inside the bag. So let's put it on na para merong something cute na nangyayari sa bag. Oh, diba? Pang-arte, anik-anik. And then lastly, inside the bag is the strap. Pwede siyang crossbody or pwede siyang handbag like this. So this is the crossbody strap. Hindi talaga ako mahilig mag-crossbody strap, but for the sake of this video, I'ma show it to you guys. Para at least you know how it looks. So ganyan siya. Then the strap is quite lengthy. Perfect if you're on the go for casual errands. I'm just not really a big fan of this keychain, so tatanggalin ko siya. But yeah, first bag, so cute. And then for our second bag, actually, box na lang yung papakita ko kasi nandito na yung bag actually katabi ko. However, I still want it to be presentable. But yeah, this is the bag of the second bag that I have. And then meron din siyang kasamang strap, plus the free keychain or whatsoever. And then going back to the bag, ito yung ating Lulu bag again. But meron siyang, iba naman yung keychain na kasama niya. Meron siyang mini bag na ganito. Actually, madami kayong mailalaman. So inside this mini bag over here, I have my baby wipes, I have my alcohol, some hair ties, and then my perfume inside tucked in. So madami kayong mailalagay dito. So if you're hesitant, which one should you buy between these 2 Lulu bag? I'd go for this one kasi more spacious siya. Mas madami kayong mailalagay compared here. Plus this one's a little smaller. And then yung keychain niya nga, medyo mas maliit. And then this one is malaki. So may mailalaman pa kayo other than this one. But either way, I still both love these 2 bags. Kinuha ko lang to kasi the color. I love the color. Unfortunately, yung seller na binilhan ko nito, wala na ng ganitong color. And in this specific style. So I just bought it in a different store. But I still love it. So as what you can see, madami siyang laman. I have my camera, my mini pouch, my power bank. Madami pa siyang laman actually sa loob. Pero tinanggal ko lang kanina kasi nag-import ako ng videos. I have my DJI, which is what I'm using right now to film. Plus my iPad, and still kasyang-kasya pa siya. And then yun nga yung mga pang personal hygiene ko na andito. It's a small bag. So this one can fit a lot of things. So hindi ko lang alam kung anong sizing nila, pero if this one is, for an example, like a 24 inches, this one is probably like 23 or 22.5 kasi hindi naman sila nagkakalayo ng sizing. But yeah, nabinyagan ko na siya kahapon, nagamit ko na siya. Super ganda and super worth it. I love this Lulu twin bag. Kasi recently, napapaibig ako sa mga ganito classic malalaking bag kasi ang dami na ng mga nilalagay ko sa bag ko, literally. Because I have my 2 cameras, my iPad, I always bring them for work or for personal video editing, rushing, ganon. And then, I always bring this little cute anik-anik bunny keychain para lang magkameron ng konting style sa ating mga bags. So, I'm torn between using it here sa maroon bag para kitang-kita siya or sa black one. So help me decide in the comment. But yeah, loving these 2 bags from the House of Little Bunny. Oh, and by the way, just a quick disclaimer, these are not legit bags from the House of Little Bunny. Again, these are premium copy or fake kasi wala namang ganon. These are fake, but still, they used high quality leather, PU leather material yung gamit niya. It still serves its purpose. It's a bag with a lot of compartment na pwede nyo mailagay. So this is quite a steal for me. For about 1,000 pesos, you can have this bag na. So what are you waiting for? Grab your House of Little Bunny Lulu bag and let's lay away with our purses. XOXO. Bye!